Hello, like-minded people. Welcome to my channel. I want you to feel at home, to feel comfortable here. Please remember to hit the like button when you come in. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment and tell a friend. And tell a friend to tell a friend. And please come back. You're always welcome. Thank you.
Hello, good people, and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts with Tracy. I have some silicone molds that I've poured resin into that I want to unmold and show you all what I got going on here. Take you down, and I'll just explain as I go. I haven't worked with any of my molds in quite a while, and it's been on my mind, and I've been wanting to, just haven't had the time. However, I got an order at my pop-up shop. I had these hands that were for sale, and they were blue, and a gentleman saw them, liked them, and he placed the order in, and he wanted black. So I've had to use my molds. So we're going to see how this turns out. The only problem I have with this mold is that you can fill it completely to the top, but there's air pockets, and I just cannot get the resin to get into these air pockets. I have no idea. I can't figure it out. But anyway, let's start with this one. And then, of course, I had extra epoxy left over. I made extra because while I was at it, I just wanted to pour some other molds. But we'll start with this one. Let me move this out of the way. And you just loosen it all the way around. I don't. What I do is coat my insides with powder if I'm not using mica powder, regular talc powder. Okay, I took it off that tray so it stopped sliding around. So you just kind of stretch it because it's silicone and it'll stretch. And pull it down around after you've loosened it. And see, those are those divots. So they're on the bottom, they're not too bad. That's where the resin didn't fill all the way in there. So I used the mica powder that I covered this mold with so that I could get this iridescent effect. Oh, it turned out, let's see. So let me be quiet first. It turned out nice, turned out nice, turned out nice. Oh, that's beautiful. Look. Yes, in black hands. That is so nice. So all I have to do is clean my edges. They're sharp, you know, they're not smooth. So I'll take a Dremel or a razor blade, a hot razor blade, and go around this and put my brand, my business name on the bottom of it. Wrap it up and give the gentleman a call. I think those are so pretty. Okay, so the extra resin that when I mixed the black with the mica powder, I had just enough for these little drips here, and they're just little gems. So let's take these out. And I'll use them to embellish pictures or something. Who knows? Just, you know, I don't waste. I just don't waste. So just pour them in here. Could use it for jewelry. Different things. I just put them in a container. A glass container until I feel the need to use them for something. Trying to flip them all over. And they're pretty. Okay. So this is one of the little jars that when I have extra resin and use the smaller molds, I just store them in here until I want to use them for something. So I'll just put those in there. And as you see, there's quite a few different little items in here that'll come in handy. Alright, then I mixed, while I was at it, you know, while I was playing in the resin, I had to pull some molds out and try something else. Because once you get into it, you know, you want to keep going. So I have these molds. It's a man and a woman. Move that aside. Man and a woman mold. Body mold. Molds. And so the first one I did was the woman. And I wanted to use some clear epoxy. So it's clear, and I put pearls in here. Woman's pearls. You know we love pearls. And so let's see how this did. The only thing that might have some holes in it because I use pearl beads, and you know the pearl beads have holes in them, so air probably escaped. I don't know. We're gonna see. Let's see what this looks like. If I can get it off. It turned out cute so far. Yeah, it's a little hard to get off. And I coated this with baby powder, but it's formed on here really good. Okay, let me undo that right quick and set it aside. Oh, it's cute. It's pretty. Uh-oh, y'all. Yeah, I stuck two of the bigger ones right there for her breast. That is too cute. Okay, there's no holes. Just a little. Oh no, those are her nipples. I'm sorry. And then I also use like fillers. These are seed beads, iridescent white seed beads. So I use those to try to fill in between, you know, all these beads. And I use different size pearl beads. Okay. Nice. Okay, let's see what the man looks like. So with the man, I use the clear resin, and I'm thinking, what can I put in here? You know, that's manly. What can I put in here that's manly? And I was on the phone with 755, and we were thinking and thinking because she was crafting and I was crafting, and I had a handful of dice. So she said that would be a good idea. Then I thought about poker chips. Well, I had some Pekino chips that I put in here. Then I thought about king, you know. So I took some playing cards and cut the king up. So we're gonna see. Let's see what this looks like. So you see some of the chips in there. Let's see. Interesting. It's interesting thus far. Oh wow. This is different. It's cute too. Alrighty. I like the idea. Let's just, if I can get this off so we can see it in full effect. Okay, come on. There we go. Oh wow. So that's the back side. And that's the front side. I don't know. Different for sure. How about that king is right there in the front in the middle. And so you see the dice, and then the chips are in here. I just put red and blue. And then the little pieces of playing cards that I cut up. I don't know. Y'all tell me what y'all think about this idea. What ideas would you have to put in that mold other than a solid color for a man? Too cute. Different for sure. Okay, enough of that. Those are nice. So I had a little bit of the clear resin left, and I make the Palo Santo holders. So I said, let me make a couple of them while I have a little bit of extra resin left. And I used the crushed glass. So I put two different kind of crushed glass in here. No, I think I had some more of this resin left, and I started pouring some in here. And then I mixed the crushed glass with the clear resin. And then I let it get a little firm and put a divot in there so that I could stick the Palo Santo wood stick in here. So I've made two of these extra that I can put in my inventory. So I used all clear epoxy in this one with the crushed glass, and then also some iridescent beads mixed in here for this one. So how I sell them is a piece of Palo Santo wood placed inside, and it will, you know, stick in there like that and burn. And you don't have to worry about, you know, it falling over or laying it down on something. You know, they have some trays that you lay it down, but they seem to go out if you lay it down. They don't burn long. They burn long enough to put the aroma in your air. And I just place them in a origami bag. And this one's a little big. This one's a little big. It doesn't go all the way down. I'll have to shave it off a little bit, maybe, or just use another piece. And then I also place in here one of my custom lighters for the customer, and a little information card. And I sell these for $10. So I'm going to bag this one up. I'm going to put a different piece in here. Put a piece in here, bag this one up, and put them in my inventory. Unless you're interested in some of these items. But thank you so much. I think that is all that I have. I just want to show you my unmolding. I have a few more things that I have to do, orders. I'll get around to them. I think this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm going to make some more of these in different colors. I've done a bronze one before, a blue, a purple. But I think I want to do a lot of different skin tones. We'll see. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Peace and love. We'll see you soon. Have a wonderful day. Hit that like button, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And if you subscribe, please hit the notification bell so that you can be notified of my up and coming videos. Thank you much. Peace and love once again, and I'm out. Toodles. As always, I thank you for your time. I thank you for stopping by, and much appreciation for your support. Click the notification bell for intriguing content. Thank you.